Hello, this is Mrs. Barrow, and this is going to be a short screencast on Hammurabi's Code. Was it just Day 2, Step 2, pre-bucketing, so you know what you're doing. On your sheet, there is a section that says pre-bucketing. The directions say, using any clues from the mini-Q question and the document titles on the cover page, think of possible analytical categories and label the buckets. Analytical categories means things that you could use for evidence to back up your claim. Remember, this claim is Hammurabi's Code just? Meaning, is Hammurabi's Code fair? So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to write under each bucket, Hammurabi's Code just or not just. This is your opinion at this point before looking at the deeper evidence. All of them should be the same because you need to use the same opinion throughout the piece. Otherwise, you will have points taken off and you don't have a good argument. So once you've decided in your mind if the code was just or not just, you're going to look at the cover page and find the letters that go with the documents. And judging from the titles of the documents, you're going to put the letters in each bucket, just like I've done here with A, D, and E. All of the buckets should have the same thing and the same letters at this point. Later on when you're bucketing, it's going to be different. You're going to be doing 3 different supporting statements to back up whether or not Hammurabi's Code is just or not. And with those 3 statements, you're going to connect the evidence to the statements. So that's all you have to do for today, and good luck.